If you lack motivation to study, if you aren't able to concentrate, if you feel like giving up, please don't skip this video. So before starting the video, if you don't know me, I am Niharika Raj, second year MBBS student at NMCH Bihar. So without further ado, let's get started. 6 months of hardcore focus and alignment can put you 5 years ahead in life. Don't underestimate the power of consistency and desire. You have what it takes to become the best that you can be. Don't ever doubt yourself. Harness your power, exceed your expectations. Now repeat after me. Start now. Start where you are. Start with fear. Start with pain. Start with doubt. Start with hands shaking. Start with voice trembling. But start. Start and don't stop. Start where you are. With what you have. Just start. Medical school is not a place for smart people, but for those who are insane enough to dream of it. Pray for it, work hard for it, and live for it. It is for those who are crazy enough to want the sense of purpose that fuels their veins. And if it is insanity, then let it be. For even if it means more sleepless nights, more examinations to pass, more years in university, and more sacrifices to endure, nothing will change. I will still keep choosing this path over and over again, even for 100 more days or 1,000 more years. And nothing in this world can stop me from taking an adventure as worth as taking this, even for 1,000,000 more lifetimes. If you feel like giving up on your dreams, just remember yourself, your future self for once. Imagine your graduation day. Imagine expressions of your parents and especially those people who want to see you fail. Dear future doctors, don't quit. There are people you haven't met yet relying on you to stay the course so you can save their lives. Educate yourself. When a question about a certain topic pops up, Google it. Watch movies and documentaries. When something sparks your interest, read about it. Read. Study, learn, stimulate your brain. Don't just rely on the school system. Educate that beautiful mind of yours. You cannot save the world, but you might end up saving the man in front of you if you act fast enough. And I know these ambitions cost late nights, early mornings, lots of associates, very few friends. You will be misunderstood. You will be single unless you are lucky enough to find someone who understands your lifestyle. People will want you to do good, but never better than them. Forget these reasons. You will do many things alone. Ask yourself if what you are doing today is getting you closer to what you want to be tomorrow. You don't have to be brilliant to be a doctor. You have to be hardworking and have good character. That's what makes a good doctor. So, it's time to work a little harder, a little stronger, a little sharper. I should not feel stressed about these little things. I can't be stressed out over an assignment set or over a subject. I have to do it. I can do it. I have a dream of being a ray of hope for people, dream of serving humanity. That white coat belongs to me. I belong to it. I refuse to quit. I refuse to give up. I want to be a doctor, and doctors don't give up. I am really thankful to all those failures. Because of them, I worked much harder than I used to do. From learning the name of the bones to fixing them. From buying the first white coat to owning the coat with your name written on it with a prefix of doctor. You are going to win. You are going to live your dreams. You may not become the best doctor in the world or this country or the state or this city. Hell, you may not even be the best doctor on your street, as your hospital or clinic, or the best doctor of a hospital floor or in a room at a given time. But when a patient comes to you scared that the headaches, the chest pains Whatever they have been having for months might be something worse. At that moment, you are their best chance for survival. You are the patient's best hope. And proving yourself worthy of that responsibility is the only title you should ever care about winning. Medical school teaches you how to be 100% person. As a future doctor, you have to be intelligent, of course. You have to be truly devoted, strong, confident, yet humble, and ready to work harder than you could have ever imagined till now. You have to be striving for perfection because you can't afford to be 99% right. You are either 100% right or 100% wrong. Hustle hard, people. It's your time now. Choose wisely how you want to spend it. The perfect time to start, if you are not started yet, is now. I believe in you. You got this. That's all for today. See you next time very soon. Hit like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until then, goodbye.